Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about topic A, the IS curve. I will explain how goods market equilibrium is, how the IS curve is developed, why it sloped downward, and finally show the real world events that cause is IS curve to shift. So the IS curve starts from the idea of good market equilibrium, which is written as this format. And this simply means that output must equal total spending in the economy. A key part of this equation is investment, because investment depends negatively on the interest rate. So when the interest rate change, investment change, total demand change, and this lead to a new level of equivalent outputs. This is the foundation of the IS curve. To derive the IS curve, we follow simple process. First, pick an interest rate. That interest rate demands the level of investment and therefore total demand. Second, find the level of output Y that satisfies the equivalent condition Y equal AD. Third one, repeat that is for different interest rates. Every pair of RY that satisfies equivalent gives us 1 point. When we connect all those points together, we get the IS curve, which shows combination of interest rate and output where the good market in equivalent. So why is the IS curve slope downward? When the R is increased, firms invest less. Lower investment means lower aggregate demand, which leads to lower equivalent level of output. So interest rate and output move is opposite direction. That's why the IS curve sloped downward. A real event that's caused in IS curve to shift was COVID-19 economic shock. During the pandemic, business confidence goes bad. Firms canceled or delayed investment projects and the household reduced consumption. As a result, aggregate demand was lower at very interest rate. This means entire IS curve shift leftward. A leftward shift represents a fall in equivalent output, even if the interest rate stays the same. So, to summarize, the IS curve from the good market equivalent is sloped downward because higher interest rate reduce investment and output. And real-world events like COVID-19, which lower investment and spending, can shift the IS curve to the left. Thanks for listening.